Good morning everybody, it's Friday in Bangkok. I've just got myself ready, I've packed up my suitcase. This morning we're going on a tour of Bang Rak, which is an old part of Bangkok. I think we're going to the market there to learn about the food of Bangkok and Thailand. Oh, I need to have a drink, I've got a dry throat. Minibus, I think it's taking us up to Ayutthaya, which is the old capital city, about an hour outside of Bangkok. And we'll be spending the night there as well.
Eating, cooking, do the local food, yeah, and we're gonna learn more about where to get good food, how to cook, and know about the ingredients, because Thai food is fantastic. Yeah, anything you love to try, let me know.
Up the motorway to Ayutthaya, where we're spending the rest of the day, staying there overnight, and then a bit of tomorrow before coming back to Bangkok.